Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing and then demoing for you this really cool crystal clear kickstand case for the Galaxy S22 phone, and this is by a company called ESR. And let's see, open it up there, pull this tab out, and you can see you've got some instructions in there. You get military grade protection, raised edges, air guard in the corners. We'll take a look at all of those things. And this is the case itself. Get the styrofoam out and pull it out of the bag here. And voila, here we go. Nice crystal clear, very clear. This is a TPU side case with a harder back. And it is crystal clear. Let's give it that crystal clear test. I'm going to hold it all the way up to the lens on my camera, and you can see my hand through there, just as if there's nothing in front of my camera. So really crystal clear so that the beauty of the phone can shine through. Of course, you've got that kickstand, which is sort of the highlight of this case. But let's take a quick look at some of the features, and then I'm going to throw it on the phone so we can see it in action and see that kickstand. You do have these nice little air pockets here in the corners, and those are going to provide protection in case of a fall on the corner. Nice little air pocket. Corners are always the most vulnerable spots, and you've got those air pockets to help protect your phone. You also got nice bezels around the edge, raised bezels to protect the face, and then you've got a raised bezel around the camera bump as well to protect your camera lenses. So really cool. Let's get it on the phone. This is my Samsung Galaxy S22 here. We're going to throw that on here, and there you go. Take a look. Nice, beautiful phone. You can see the color of your phone, so whatever color phone you've selected, you'll be able to see it nice and clear through this case. This is a non-yellowing case, so it's not going to start to turn yellow on you after a few months like some of the less quality cases do. You don't have to worry about that with these cases from ESR. And let's take a quick look at the cutouts, and then we're going to take a look at that kickstand. You can see it's got the right cutouts for your power port, the microphone, and the speaker. Here at the top, you've got the right cutout there for the speaker that's on the top there, and also for the microphone that is on the top there. And then you've got your great button covers for the power button and the volume rocker. Easy to use those, even with the case on. Nice grippy material. That's a nice TPU bumper on the outside. And then there's nice air pocket cushions on the corners to really give you protection in case of a fall. Nice raised bezels, as you can see there. Even if you lay your phone down flat, you're going to be protected. And nice raised lip all the way around the camera bump, so your camera lenses are also going to be protected when you lay your phone down flat. Now, of course, the star of the show is the kickstand. See here, you've got your kickstand there, so you open that up. It allows you to position this in several different ways. You can have it vertical like that and use it like that, or you can have it horizontal like this, or you can have it horizontal like this, which gives you a different angle. And a really nice strong hinge, so like this hinge, like I'm kind of wiggling it, but it's not shifting. And then when I want to shift it, boom. So it locks in place really easily. And what's great is when it's in place, it's not that thick. Even though it's got a kickstand, this is a fairly thin case. The kickstand does not add a lot of bulk. I like the place they put the kickstand. When you're holding your phone like you normally hold your hand, it's kind of in that cup of your hand, so it doesn't really affect the bulk of the phone or holding the phone, which is great. Really excellent design there. And then when you want it, you just lift it up like that, and there you go. Now you have a way to position your phone. Great for if you're doing video messaging, or if you're watching YouTube videos or something, then you can set it like that. If you're using it as an alarm clock on your nightstand, maybe have it like that. You've got all those options available for you, and this is a high quality aluminum kickstand, very strong. It's not gonna, that hinge isn't gonna give out on you after a while. It's gonna last a long time. Really excellent case by ESR. Looks great on the phone, allows the beauty of your phone to shine through, gives you the protection you need, and then gives you that nice added functionality with the kickstand. So if you're looking for a nice, really great, high quality kickstand case to add that functionality to your S22, then this crystal clear kickstand case from ESR is definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share this video with them. All the videos are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.